Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Easton Harris, and in this video, we're going to be talking about a reversal signal known as the engulfing candle. So here in front of you, this is the bearish engulfing candle. Now, on the left is a relatively weak bullish candle, and on the right, we have a strong bearish candle, and it just engulfs the entire green candle that printed before it. So, with that being said, we can see that the bears are in control and price is being forced down much harder than price was climbing. So there's a lot of strength in the bears. That's what this is telling us. This is the bearish engulfing candle. Now here we have the bullish engulfing candle, which is a reversal signal to the upside. Now we have a red weak candle here, followed by a giant green candle that shows that the bulls are in control. There's a lot of pressure coming from the bottom, pushing price up with a lot of force. These engulfing candles are very strong, very sharp, and very forceful. So with that being said, we're going to hop into the charts and we'll show you some real examples of this. Alright guys, we are in the charts. We got Pound Aussie on the 1 hour pulled up, and we're just going to be looking at engulfing candles. So right here, spot an engulfing candle, strong bearish candle comes down, and then a much stronger bullish candle engulfs it. So price gets engulfed by this candle here, and it continues on up. Fairly simple. Over here we have a smaller one. Let me mark this for you right here. This green one right here, you can see that it engulfed the previous two red ones. So that would be an example of an engulfing candle right here, and price continues on up. Let's keep looking. Right here we have another example. This red engulfing candle engulfed this green one next to it right here. And what did price do? Price continued on down. Let's keep looking, see what we got here. Oh, here's an obvious one. So not only did we have the exhaustion, we had the huge engulfing candle through here. That is huge. Engulfed like the last 6 candles. What price do? Continued on up. Let's keep looking. A lot of strength from the buyers right there. Again, we have another engulfing candle through here. This huge green one right here ate everything. Price continued to go up. A lot of force. These engulfing candles show a lot of force in one direction or the other. Now everything's relative to what's next to it. We have another engulfing candle right here. Ate like this whole move. Strong bearish candle. Strong bearish candle. Price continues to the downside. Right here we have a bullish engulfing candle right here. Covered more ground than the last 2 red candle bodies. Engulfed those, went to the upside. Let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. Right here we have a strong bullish engulfing candle. Price continued to the upside after that. We have a strong body right here that engulfs these 2 bodies next to it, but with the wick on it, that's not an engulfing candle. Here we have a giant bullish engulfing candle. Price heads to the upside after that. Look at the strength. This candlestick here engulfed the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlesticks in one move. A lot of strength here. It's very apparent with these engulfing candles who has control. The buyers. All right, moving on, moving on. Here we had a bullish engulfing candle right here. Price went to the upside as expected. Right here, we have a bearish engulfing candle. Price went to the downside as expected. Now right here in this area, zoom out a little bit. Right here in this area, we had a bearish engulfing candle and then a couple exhaustions, and then immediately following a bullish engulfing candle in which the bulls and the bears were both very strong, but the bears did end up taking over. Right here, we have a bullish engulfing candle. Price heads to the upside as expected. Let's keep looking. Right here, we have another bullish engulfing candle. Price rises. Also another one right here. This area engulfs the last two candle bodies. And you can even count this smaller one here, right here, because it engulfed the previous two candles. Now, ideally, your textbook ones are much larger, much more noticeable. Like this one's pretty noticeable. This bearish engulfing candle, price headed down where it led to a bullish engulfing candle where it changed directions. Keep going through the charts here with you guys. Right here, another bullish engulfing candle. Price goes to the upside as expected. Here, this green candle engulfed the red one next to it. Price headed to the upside. Same with this one. These candle formations are everywhere, guys. Bullish engulfing candle. Bullish engulfing candle. Obviously, another bullish engulfing candle. Right here, we got a bearish engulfing candle. Super big red candle. Even another one. Ultimately, price headed to the downside all the way through down here. Right here, this is a bullish engulfing candle, but the resistance held and she fell. Price respected that resistance. Right here, we got another bullish engulfing candle, and ultimately, price does head to the upside. Here we have a bearish engulfing candle. This candle engulfs the last three green ones and then heads to the downside as expected. Very simple stuff, guys. These candlesticks, these engulfing ones, are much more noticeable than the rest of them. And it's all relative to what's around it. Okay, so if out of nowhere you see a huge candle body, you know, odds are that's an engulfing candle. And some are much more obvious than others. But I hope this video gives you an idea what to look for, what exactly it looks like in the charts, and what you can expect to see afterwards.